Hey there, Dr. Cory Workman with Community Hearing Center in Estes Park, Colorado. In today's video, I'm going to take you through a quick and easy cleaning procedure that you can complete on any hearing aid at the end of the day. We're also going to take a look at wax guards. All right, in our last video, we took a tour of the various parts of the hearing aid. If you missed that video, there'll be a link right up above my finger here to go and watch that video. So today, what I want to take you through is just a quick cleaning procedure that you can do for your own hearing aid, or if you're helping someone else, a quick cleaning procedure that you can do with the hearing aids at the end of the day. So taking the hearing aid out of the ear, we pop the battery door open. I'm going to grab a tissue, and what I do is I take that tissue and I'm just going to take the entire hearing aid and kind of rub it all off like this. I want to just get it good and clean like that. And after we do that, I'll show you the next step. All right, now that we've used our Kleenex or tissue and cleaned off the entire hearing aid and gotten all the grime off of it, the next thing you want to check on is the rubber tip that's on the end. For this receiver in the ear hearing aid, the rubber tip on the end is very important to look at. This rubber tip can get plugged with earwax. So here's what you do. Take the rubber tip, pinch in your fingers and pull it off the hearing aid like so. And then take your tissue once again, place it inside and squish it through and roll it around to get it completely clean, because earwax will hide in some of the smaller parts of that rubber tip. So we'll clean that through like that. There you go, got all the earwax out of it. Here's what's next. All right, next, with that rubber tip off, you want to take a look at your wax guard. This is the number one reason why we get phone calls in the office that my hearing aid is not working. This wax guard here is actually clean. You can see a reflection coming out of it there. That means that this wax guard is clean because you can see through it. If this wax guard was dirty, you would see earwax in it, maybe orange or yellow, or you just can't see through it. So here's what you do. For this particular style of hearing aid, this is from a company that we work with by the name of RITE. Their wax guards are in a little case like this. Here's what you do. Take one of the wax guards out, and you have an end to remove the wax guard and a new wax guard on the other side. Take the end, work it in like so, push in, pull out, your wax guard's gone, turn over, and place that wax guard back in. And now you've got a nice clean wax guard and you can throw this away. All right, here's another company that we work with here at Community Hearing Center, and this is their wax guard system. So the wax guard for these is on a little piece like so. Similar work here. What you're going to do is you're going to take the blank end, put in, pull out, your wax guard's gone, and then you'll place in with the new one there like so, and you can throw this away. So there's various types of wax guards, but they usually come in something like this, or as you previously saw, on a stick, to be able to have one end to take out the wax guard and a new wax guard to place. All right, so we've changed our wax guard. Now we're going to put that rubber tip back on the end of the hearing aid. So one of the questions we get is, how often should I check on that wax guard? And our advice is to check every 2 weeks and change it as needed. Again, this is the number one reason why we get a phone call from somebody saying, hey, my hearing aid doesn't work. And 9 times out of 10, it's that wax guard's been plugged up and needs to be changed. So every 2 weeks, whether it's for you, yourself, or for someone that you're helping, take a look at that wax guard every couple of weeks. Now, you've gone through and you've cleaned the hearing aid and you're taking a look at it and you go, what ear is this one for? This one is blue. Here, the writing on that is blue, so that is for the left ear. On our other hearing aid that we were using, the end of it is red and has a red indicator inside the battery door. That is the right ear. So as you're cleaning these and you want to maybe help put them back in their ears, that's how you know which one is which. Thanks for watching our video on how to clean the hearing aids and wax guards. I hope you found it informative. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments and we'd be happy to answer them. If you also need any other help, we're always available here at Community Hearing Center in Estes Park at 970-586-5255. If you thought this video was useful, we'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe and share it with those around you, and we'll see you in the next one.